In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Blink doorbell without the sync module. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In general, you can still use a Blink doorbell even if you don't have the sync module. So I'm going to answer any questions that you might have about what you can do with the doorbell camera and how to set it up. First, about the questions. If we visit the official Blink website, we can actually see it here. Does the video doorbell require a sync module? And the answer is no. The video doorbell does not require a sync module. Without a sync module, live view and two-way audio are only available by tapping the motion notification for a doorbell press or motion event within 60 seconds of receiving the notification on your mobile device. So with a sync module, these features are available anytime on demand. So this is going to be the main difference: live view and two-way audio, alongside the option to have an extended view whenever you wish. So keep that in mind. With these two things out of the way, you can still connect and use your camera. So open the Blink mobile app and tap the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen. Of course, usually you would connect the sync module first, but because you don't have access to it, then just use the video doorbell camera from this list. Once you select the video doorbell camera, follow the instructions on screen. This might differ depending on the particular model that you are using, but usually you will enter some form of information for the app to detect the video doorbell camera. And after it has been detected, it is going to be added onto the home screen of the application. As the website described, some features will not be available, mainly live view and two-way audio, but you can still use the basic functionalities on the video doorbell camera. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, because as you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.